8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. The answer is not 0. Why? Why? Many people, when they solve 8 minus 8 times 8 times 8 minus 8, they simply deduct 8 from 8 here from this, which is 0 times again 8 minus 8, which is 0, again 0 times 0 is equals to 0, which is not true, which is not true. But I'm gonna show you how to find the answer for this algebra here. So to solve this 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8, we use this one. E, P, M or D, you can say A or S. That means we start from parentheses, and then we add exponential part. We do not start from this one. PEMDA. That means we first solve for P. That means the one which is in the bracket, and then exponential will be continued. Again, multiplication or division at the same time, addition or subtraction at the same time. But when we find the solution for this, always we solve from left to right, from left to right. So using this, when we find a solution for 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8, so we start from, as I have told you earlier, we start from multiplication or division. That means we first multiply 8 by 8. So to solve this 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. As I have told you earlier, we first multiply 8 by 8 is 64 minus 8, again 8 minus 64 minus 8. As I have told you earlier, when we deduct this one, we start from left to right. That means 8 minus 64 is solved first. That means 8 minus 64. 8 minus 64 is 8 minus 64 is our first operation, and then the next will be continued. So this one is 52 minus, this minus 52, I mean minus 8. So minus 52 minus 8 means it is negative 64. Therefore, the answer is negative 64. The answer is negative 64. Thank you for watching.